Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Marcus, and this channel is all about investing and personal finance. I'm going to talk about investment strategy and how I approach investing, and what my results are. And um, hopefully, we can have a discussion on this very important topic and yeah, learn something from each other as well. Mm, a little bit big background about me. I have been investing for about 3 years, and this is my third year. Um, I also have a full-time job as a software developer. Uh, I've been basically putting my paycheck to paycheck into the stock market, and um, so far it has been doing pretty well. Um, this year alone, I have made over uh, $80,000, as you can see from this chart. Um, it especially yeah, it went up a lot recently because um, there was a strategy shift that I did, which I'm gonna share with you guys. Um, as you can see, I also put in a lot of money initially, so this is not like a get rich quick thing. It's just investing. It takes time. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna share with you guys what I've been doing and what I found to be working, and what I think doesn't work. So as you can see here on the right side, I have a bunch of options, as you can see, and some of them are not doing very well, unfortunately. And yeah, but my main portfolio uh, is stocks. So yeah, the options stuff I just do on the side. What I used to do a lot is to sell options against the stocks I'm holding. So something like this, yeah, I just sold like GME calls, weekly options to collect premium. This has been a strategy I found out to be working quite well and can generate you some income here and there. Sometimes, sometimes more, sometimes less. But it has been a consistent strategy that has been worked for me. So if you have some stock sitting around and it's not very volatile, you might as well sell um, sell call options against it to collect some premium. Um, yeah. Mm, and let's see, we have many stock holdings here as well. Those are just some stocks that I bought earlier. Some of them are not very good. Some of them are doing okay. Yeah, but my main strategy recently has been buying specs. So basically, as you can see here, all those ticker symbols are specs. So if you don't know what specs are, I recommend you to do some research, Google around, and figure out what it is. So basically, it is a special purpose acquisition vehicle where a sponsor is like an investment firm or an individual uh, brings a shell company public and uh, issues units, which is a combination of stocks and warrants to raise money from institutional investors and retail investors. And then that sponsor use this money raised to acquire a private company that wants to go public. It's basically a shortcut for going public without going through the traditional IPO route. You know, which this way is like way quicker and has lower um, has lower scrutiny and all those stuff. It's a very quick way to go public for a private company. So we are seeing an explosion of this type of reverse merger popping up this year. The most notable one is Virgin Galactic. If you have been paying attention to the finance industry, I'm sure you have heard of this company, as well as its sponsor Shamas, which was the guy that invented this reverse merger approach. He himself alone this year has sponsored 3 or more SPACs of this type. And yeah, not all SPACs are doing well, but most of them are doing quite well this year. Yeah, and one thing, the most notable thing I would say for a SPAC is that it has limited downside risk. So, you know, when a SPAC issues stocks to raise money, right, it's set at $10 per share, and if something didn't go well and the SPAC gets liquidated and returns the investors' money, you would get your $10 per share back. So the downside risk is pretty minimal if you bought in at $10 per share. We do see some people buy stocks like this, when they have already run up. It's not very safe. You could still make money, but it could drop from $20 to $10, let's say, and you would be losing money. So there's no point to chase the high. So I basically just invest in SPACs that are near NAV value, like $11, $12, something like that. I would buy them. And yeah, so far it has been worked out quite well. And as you guys can see here, yeah, I'm basically buying shares of those reverse merger companies. And yeah, I guess I will do an update frequently to see what happens. And yeah, this has been my approach. And let me know what you guys think. And feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section down below. Any comment on anything if you if you find anything that's worth to discuss, I would be happy to reply. And with that being said, thank you so much for giving me your precious time. And if you do like the content, I encourage you to subscribe. And so it's not a very long video. So yeah. So yeah, thanks again, and hope I'll see you in my next video.